everyone, welcome to week 5 of our Shape of the Week lessons. This week we're going to look at all of the 3D shapes that we've learnt about in nursery. Can you remember why a shape is a 3D shape? It's because we can hold it in our hand like this. If you can hold a shape in your hand, that means it's 3D. If it's drawn on a piece of paper or if it's in a picture, then it's 2D. Our first shape is a round shape and it looks a bit like a ball. Can you remember what this shape's called? That's right, it's a sphere. Well done. Our next shape has got a circle at one end and a point at the other end. It's a cone. Well done. Can you remember when we had our ice cream cones with our sphere of ice cream on the top? That was a big day. Our next shape has got lots of squares on it. This one is a cube. Sometimes cubes might be little and sometimes cubes might be big like this. Maybe you could make some brownies like we did in nursery and you could cut them into cube shapes. Our next shape has got a circle on one end and a circle on the other end. These are the circles. And it's called, can you remember? Shout really loud if you can remember what it's called. A cylinder. Well done. And sometimes cylinders might be big like this one with big circles on the end instead of small circles. Our next shape has got 2 squares and 4 rectangles in it. Here's the squares, 1 square, 2 square, and some rectangles. Can you remember what this one's called? It's a cuboid. Well done. And our last shape has got triangles on it. And it looks like this. Shout really loud if you can remember what it's called. It's a pyramid. Well done. Maybe you could go around your house and see if you can find any of our shapes. Maybe you could find a sphere or a pyramid. You might find a cylinder or a cube, maybe a cuboid, and you might even find a cone. Well done. Bye.